Look at the front bumper. I'm selling that car just like that, man. It's all good in the hood. You may not agree with me, but it was okay, my friend. Hey, it is the correct part. You see that right there? You can see that this is clearly bent, right? You could clearly tell. All right, y'all, it's not the right part. It's longer, and this part is wider. All right, this looks like it's the same part number, but they only got one. I was buying this one. This one right here. Appreciate y'all, love y'all. Ooh, for all y'all support. My wrist was hurting a little bit, but not that much. Not that much. I'm almost back, guys. I'm almost back. We Hustle Daily. What's up, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video, and we are in the Honda, man. We in the Honda on our way to Mom's house, right? We about to change those control arms. I done got word that the control arms are in the mail, so I'm headed to Mom's house to get my control arms. Why the control arms never go to my house? Because I don't know. I just don't be getting stuff mailed. I don't want nothing lost. You know what I mean? I feel like if we get stuff mailed there, it won't be lost. So that's why I just send everything there. But so I'm on my way there and going to get these control arms. I was about to just do it like right outside because I had the parking that was right by my truck. So I was about to just like get started on it. This looked real easy. Like it shouldn't take me. It shouldn't take me like 10. It shouldn't take me 10 minutes to do this. This looks so easy. Those control arms, and I'm gonna show y'all, get y'all a better look at it when we get there. But that's what I'm on my way to do, and then I'm gonna take inspection again this week, so I can go ahead and get this over with. And yeah, man, we can be done, and we can get this mug rebuilt. So this is going to be the daily driver. I actually like driving this thing. It's nice and smooth. So yep, this is what I'm gonna be riding in. It did do a little noise to where I felt like, hey, it might need some a starter, but we should be all right. But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget we got them IAA accounts and Copart accounts for $600. You get auction access to Copart and IAA for $600, and I got the plug on the dealer auction, so you can go to the dealer auctions as well. You can just get up under someone else's license, tap in to my website whdacademy.com. And it's for my platinum members. Feel me? Pick the platinum package. You don't have to pick the platinum package. I got different options on there for y'all. Where I'll show you how to get your own license, show you how to properly inspect cars, everything. Tap into the website. But I'll see you guys at Mom's house, and not tomorrow, because the inspection place is not open the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing inspected. You feel me? And then we can be on the hunt. Well, ain't nobody really done hit me up about my my Hyundai, so it don't look good. I let my mom been driving the Hyundai because I had to drop the Ram off again. And my mom rode the Hyundai yesterday. She's like, "Ain't this car drive good?" I'm like, "I told you." The only reason why I'm not driving it right now is because I need to fix this car. But other than that, man, I'll be driving that Hyundai every day. It don't look good, but it ride good. You know what I'm saying? I was just telling my boy Bruce the other day, he's like, "Man, I don't know how you be doing the salvage shit. I don't know how y'all do the clear. I don't be having no problem." Look, this what salvage gets you. Shit, boy, what? I'm riding. Fuck you talking about? What y'all talking about? No issues. Every car, Hyundai riding, everything riding. You know what I'm saying? But that's just me though. You ain't gotta do what I do. Do what you do. You feel me? But I'll see y'all when I get to the mom's cribbo. Alrighty, we done made it back. Mom said that thing ride good. Look at the front bumper. I'm selling that car just like that, man. It's all good in the hood. You may not agree with me, but it was okay, my friend. Alrighty. Cause like, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Do I feel like if I fix that, like the car gonna sell faster? Nah, it's too cheap. It's cheaper than it's cheaper. It's too cheap. Like shit, ain't nobody else got theirs on there for that cheap. But anyway, so yeah, we about to get this started. Let me go in the house and make sure we got the right parts. Y'all see my new jack right here, right? Got the new jack 3-ton. Big boy Jeep down. So we gonna get that working out with us. I need to take my mom's ladder. She got a little ladder, not this ladder. That shit's huge. Not that ladder. I need the other ladder. Hey. So let's go ahead and get this done. And we gonna be done quick, fast, in a hurry, man. I'll do this side first. Well, let me go in the house and make sure. I know my mom got that goddamn door locked. Of course she do. All right, y'all. Let me go in the house and get this. All right, y'all. So it's clear as day. It is the correct part. You see that right there? You can see that this is clearly bent, right? You could clearly tell. You got the parts right here. It is the correct part. So I'm just going to smack this thing on, man. It's easy. That's a bolt there, a bolt there, and that's it on both sides. So y'all know I was like watching y'all. I mean, letting y'all watch me do it and all of that, but I don't think y'all be fast forwarding through that. So I'm gonna just do it myself real quick, knock it on out. I'll be right back with y'all in a second. All right, Hustle Nation, I'm happy to announce for those of you who are ready to start flipping cars, I can get you auction access within 24 to 48 hours. If you're ready to stop sitting on the sideline and you're ready to start flipping cars, head on over to wehustledaily.com and pick the Platinum package. And for as low as $600, a one-time fee, you guys can have auction access to Copart and the insurance auto auction as a dealer representative under someone else's license. This allows you to go to any Copart or any insurance auto auction in the United States. And essentially, you can start flipping cars within 24 to 48 hours. Don't worry, for those of you who want to attend dealer auctions like Mannheim and Odessa, dealer-only auctions, I have something for you guys too. I can get you access to those auctions within 24 to 48 hours as well. Remember, the good thing about this service is that you're not putting the cars in your name when you resell them, meaning you can sell the cars under someone else's license without having to register them. For those of you who are not ready to start flipping cars and you just want to learn about the business, I also have a silver package and a bronze package available for you guys, while I teach you everything you need to know about this auction business. If this sounds like something you're interested in, head on over to whdacademy.com. All right, y'all, it's not the right part. It's longer and this part is wider, as you can tell. So calling some part stores and seeing if we can find the correct part. Amazon let me down, man. God damn it. All right, we're here at the AutoZone. They said they had it, so we gotta see if they really got it or they. You lied to me. You lied to me. So we about to see. Do I need anything out of here, like oil, anything? I don't need shit. I need this part. That's what I need. I talked to a girl, but I don't see no girl in here. Did I call the right number? I don't know. We about to see. All right, and it looks like I did, in fact, call the wrong one because, came up to the wrong one because it's at the one up the street. So we gonna go up the street. It say they got them. I got the part number. I got the address. You feel me? So that's what we gonna do. We in the Hyundai. Y'all hate on that Hyundai, boy. Y'all better not stop hating on that Hyundai, man. What the bro? What y'all? Hey, Nanny, man. Oh, hey, Nanny. All right, let's get up here, man. We good to go, man. It's right up the street. Let me put in the right address. Well, I know where it's at. It's right up the street. We lit. I'm getting in front of you because I just want to, because I'm first, my nigga. I'll see y'all in the meeting. All right, so it looks like it's the same part number, but they only got one. So I'm gonna have to travel one more time to get another one. They got one here. I'm gonna have to go somewhere else and get that other one, man. God damn it. Unless I gotta see. I can ask them and see if they got another one for the but they both the same part. I just gotta see. All right, we see a different one right here. So we gonna bring that one out. Oh, that say upper. No. I need the lower. Damn. Let me see. Nah. I need the lower one. All right, so I guess they got it in the system wrong. This is for the upper, but this is the one I need right here. So we're going to go ahead and get this one, and I'm going to go to the other store and get that one, y'all. Hustle Nation, if you need a broker in order to buy a car off Copart or IAA and you do not have your dealer license, you can use eRepairables. You can sign up and buy cars for as low as $25, which is actually cheaper than making your own account at Copart or the insurance auto auction yourself. Or you can just pay $200 for the whole year and have an all-access bidding pass at these two auctions. And as you can see, they are in most states. Click the link in the description if you're interested. All right, figured out what it was. So this is in the system as the top, not the bottom. So the part number is, they got it in the system wrong. So really I need to be asking them for the top one. You feel me? So this is the same part. I found it. It's the top one. Now I need to see who else got it. I'm calling right now. We're gonna see if they got it. The AMG GT. Y'all know I want one of them. I need that joint cheap though, 20,000. About to spend all that money on that damn car. Ride the CLS till that thing go down. So I'm having him putting his hands on it, and if he got it, I'm gonna head up there and get it. And then we can finally go back home and put this shit on. So we waiting on AutoZone to let us know what's going on. That AMG, damn, phone ringing. All right, I did in fact find my part. So I got both parts right now. Putting some gas in the Hyundai so we can get back over there to mom's crib and get to goddamn fixing this stuff. So you can see we got both parts right there. I guess they had it in the system wrong, listed as the rear upper control arm, but it's the rear lower control arm. So now I got both of them. Matter of fact, I ain't even open that shit. Let me see. Yep, that's it. Let me make sure it's the same size. I think they all the same size too. Yep, that's it, man. So, got $10 in here. Shit, we out of this thing. Take it back to mom's house, smack this thing going. I'm glad I was able to find that shit today, because they was acting like they didn't know what was going on. People in the damn parts store acting like they motherfucking slow, all type of shit. I'm like, what the fuck? You feel me? So we good to go. So I'm about to head back to mom's crib and we go. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, let's try this again. Now, what if this side is for the opposite side? Even if it is though, I got all sides now. We're good to go. I got all sides. So we good to go. It don't even matter. Perfecto. All right, so I'm about to slap this one on, slap the other one on. We about to be done. All right, y'all. They both on. They both on, bro. I was buying this one. This one right here. It looked like it. So y'all don't need to see the other side. They both on. So inspection again. This week. Inspection again this week, man. I'm done. That was easy though. Hardest part was finding the part right there. But that's it. Y'all see I had to put this under there. My brake. This piece of wood. I've had for a long time. Long time I've been having this wood. That's why I got this piece of wood for. I don't know how much stuff I done did with that piece of wood right there. So I'm done. Shit. Appreciate y'all. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Tap in. wehustledaily.com. Fastest, easiest way to get your license to get auction access, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Let me get my thumbnail, probably. There you go. Anyway, tap in. wehustledaily.com. Appreciate y'all, love y'all. For all y'all support. My wrist was hurting a little bit, but not that much. Not that much. I'm almost back, guys. I'm almost back. I need to work on my bend, though. Like, my bend is... Well, that's actually pretty good right now. But this way, I got to work on it, man. But appreciate y'all. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. When we going to take this thing for salvage inspection and get it passed. Appreciate y'all. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.